You're looking at a 2019 Hyundai Kona electric limited. The automatic transmission, 17,000 miles. Gets about 258 miles at 100% charge. The car is in excellent shape, as you can see. It's like new condition. Exterior color is black. Comes loaded up with ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, charge ports in the front. You have the regular charge port and then the fast charge port on the bottom. Blind spot monitors, sunroof, premium sound, projection for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, backup camera, smart system, climate controls, heated seats, electronic shifting. Leather interior, excellent shape. Cruise control, obviously. Bluetooth. Exact mileage is 17,445. It's got the blind spot monitors, lane keep assist. Absolutely no stories with this car. Still under full factory warranty. The original floor mats are right here. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.